In our rapidly industrializing world, metals play a big role in our daily lives. Copper is a key metal used in a variety of applications in construction, power generation and transmission, manufacturing and transportation. Ernest Henry Mining is a copper and gold mining and processing operation located in northwest Queensland, Australia. For more than 20 years, it has relied on Hitachi Energy's power quality solution to make its mining operations efficient. The operation deploys up to 1,200 meters of overland and below surface conveyors that transport ore for processing. Without reactive power support, the motors operating the conveyors would contribute to harmonic distortion and poor power factor, which could result in high penalties and a decrease in productivity. In 1999, the mine installed Hitachi Energy's reactive power compensation system, ABBACUS, to achieve the power factor agreed with the supply authority and improve the site's power quality. But now, at the end of its life, the solution has been replaced with the new ABBACUS E-series. The ABBACUS is a compact and modular metal-enclosed capacitor bank. It automatically compensates network load to maintain a preset level of power factor and performs limited harmonic mitigation. With the new power quality solution, Ernest Henry Mining can continue to operate with a high power factor and avoid being exposed to the costs of poor power quality for many more years to come. Together, we are advancing a sustainable energy future for all.